Hey, I've got a Gallic song that I'm going to play 3 different ways on the pipes, experimenting with different ways to tune the pipes and different harmonies to produce with the drones. So this song is the first song in Folk Songs and Folklore of South Uist by Margaret Fay Shaw. It's a song in praise of South Uist called O Mo Dhùthaich, O My Country. Shaw has it written in E dorian, but to fit on the pipes I'm going to drop it down to D dorian. So based on a C major scale, I've got a C natural in the back, and I've got my F taped to an F natural. And for this first run, I've got my drones tuned to C and G. So that's going to emphasize the C major scale that the D dorian melody is based off of. And it sounds like this. Okay, so with the melody in D dorian, there's kind of a pull downward from the D to the C of the drones, and that creates some tension, which is cool. But another option that we have is to tune the drones to D and really emphasize that we're in a D minor scale. So I'm going to leave the melody exactly the way it is. It's the same notes in D dorian, but I'll have the drones tuned to D and A and see what that sounds like. Okay, so that's kind of a spookier, kind of minor sound. Really emphasizes the D and the D dorian. So I have one other option, which is to shift this whole melody down and play it in B dorian off an A scale. So we drop it to the bottom end of the chanter, and to do that, I need to access an F sharp. So I'm taping my side holes here to get my low G down to an F, and then I'm gonna play with drones in A, E, and A, and see how that goes. Okay, there's 3 different options for the same melody. I hope that gives you something to think about drone tuning and possible harmonies that creates. Thanks for watching. Cheers.